What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Home Power Shield before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Home Power Shield works. What is Home Power Shield? The Home Power Shield is a simple, pocket-sized energy generation device designed to help you create your own source of green electricity at home. It works using advanced flywheel technology, a method also being developed by NASA for energy storage and power generation. This small but powerful system captures kinetic energy and converts it into usable electrical energy that can power your household appliances like lights, refrigerators, fans, and even larger devices like AC units. The best part? It's affordable, easy to build, and doesn't require expensive solar panels or fuel-consuming generators. This system comes with a complete blueprint guide, step-by-step instructions, a parts list, and detailed schematics to help anyone, even with no technical background, to build it within a few hours. Once installed, the Home Power Shield can reduce your electricity bills by up to 80% or even help you become completely energy independent. It's lightweight, portable, weatherproof, and safe, making it perfect not just for home use but also for emergencies, camping trips, or remote locations where power supply is unreliable. How does Home Power Shield work? Flywheel energy principle. The system uses a flywheel mechanism that stores kinetic energy when spun and converts it into electricity for home use. Kinetic energy conversion. The spinning flywheel creates a powerful energy reservoir that can be drawn out anytime to power appliances. Self-sustaining power. Once set up, the device continuously generates energy without needing fuel, sunlight, or wind, perfect for all weather conditions. Simple components setup. The blueprint guides you to arrange basic components into a smart energy-producing structure. Safe and clean energy. No noise, no fumes, no harmful emissions. It's a completely environment-friendly system. Connects to any appliance. Easily hooks up to your home's existing electrical system and powers anything from small gadgets to large kitchen appliances. Low maintenance. Requires only a simple maintenance check every few months. No expensive servicing or replacements needed. Portable design, lightweight and compact, can be used indoors, outdoors, or even taken along on camping trips or remote travels. Cost-effective solution. Can be built with $200 or less using materials from hardware or electronics stores, saving thousands in the long run. Emergency power backup. Works perfectly during blackouts, storms, or any natural disaster, giving you energy independence anytime, anywhere.